Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggypeg. Welcome on my channel. So today is gonna be a get ready with me video. Actually I wasn't going anywhere after that video, so I just went ahead and cleaned my face. So yeah, it was just for the purpose of filming, so please like this video for me wasting my makeup. So yeah, now I am just doing my brows. Like, brows is a very important step for me. So yeah, if I'm going too fast, all the products info will be listed in the description box, so don't worry about that. So yeah, I feel like the brows just clean frames the face. So yeah, now I am cleaning my brows with my LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn, I think it is. Yeah, I think it is. So yeah, just cleaning around. Allô? Oui? Don't you just hate it when someone calls you instead of texting you, like something that was totally textable? I don't know why people like to talk on the phone. I don't like to talk on the phone. Okay, so now let's go back to the video. So you saw me priming my eyes, so now I'm gonna go ahead with my transitioning color. So yeah, as you saw in the first clip, I was going for a purple eye look, purple lips kind of look. So yeah, now I'm just gonna put another transition color, now going with my deep purple color just to deepen up the crease a little bit. Then you're gonna see me using a deeper purple color for my outer V right there. So yeah, the look doesn't have to be clean right now because I'm gonna be cleaning everything after that with my foundation. So yeah, I'm just blending everything. Now this is gonna be my lid, my mobile eyelid color, so applying that everywhere there. Tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, tap. Yeah, sorry guys if I'm so like out of frame. I'm not used to doing my makeup in front of the camera yet, so it's gonna take some time, so please don't be mad at me. So here you see me putting on my foundation. So yeah, I used my Maybelline foundation just because, as I told you, I wasn't going anywhere after that, so I wasn't gonna be using my Fenty or my MAC foundation. You know, this thing is expensive. So yeah, use my drugstore makeup for that part. So here I am just highlighting my face with my LA Girl concealer, again in the shade Fawn. Pop, pop, pop. Contouring a little bit to lose those 5 pounds, you know. You know, sis. So yeah, making sure that everything is blended. Don't worry about my concealer, like I'm gonna blend it afterwards. Don't worry. Snatching the nose as well. So yeah, here I am blending everything with my foundation brush just because my beauty blender was upstairs and I was downstairs and I was so lazy. I didn't want to go get it. So yeah, something about me that you gotta know, I'm lazy. So I use my foundation brush instead. Otherwise I would have used my beauty blender. So yeah, gotta blend that forehead a little bit. Powder to fix everything. I don't know why I use my MAC powder there, but damn. Gotta contour. See, I like this contour. I hit pan already. Well, more than just hit pan. Like, I'm just using pen. Gotta highlight under my eyes with the powder. So here I am putting some eyeliner in my waterline. It's a purple liner, doesn't look like it, but in real life it was super pretty. So I use a little bit of shadow under my eyes, then I'm gonna do like a simple wing eye look, wing eyeliner. Using some lashes, some random lashes from eBay. So yeah, that's when you know you're feeling yourself. I gotta put some blush, gotta put some highlight after that. So I don't know why the camera doesn't give it justice, but in real life that highlighter was popping, guys. Gotta contour my lips. Then after that I'm gonna use my deep purple lipstick. Like, this color is so beautiful. Ugh. Yeah, so guys, please like this video, just because I waste all my makeup just to film a video. So like this video, please. So now I'm gonna comb my hair a little bit, just because the hair wasn't matching the face. So yeah, in the first clip you saw that I was doing a half up, half down hairstyle. So obviously I'm putting half of my hair up and the remaining half part is gonna be down. Securing everything with an elastic. Yes, you see when the tongue is out. That's because you're feeling yourself. Now, just for the purpose of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges, because I don't normally like do that. So just for the purpose of the video, just for like the 15 minutes of the video, because after that, as I said, I went ahead, washed my face, put on my pajamas. So yeah. Gotta make sure everything is laid. So yeah, everything was good after that. See that smile? So that's the final result. So please guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in another video. Okay, love y'all, bye.